Welcome to another Unnecessary Computer Things. Today we're going to be doing the example from the Commodore 64 Programmer's Reference Guide for multi-voice. Right here I'm pasting in the source code. I will leave, there are a couple of versions of this, so I will actually leave a link to both versions in the description here. This is on pages 187 and 188. It did take a little bit of editing to get this right. As you can see, there's some data at the end of this. It takes a while to calculate and load. And that goes until about, that takes about 45 seconds or so to load. Thanks for watching.